Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast.
Hi, guys. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new episodes where we help you learn English in a fun and easy way.
Yes, we post conversations, stories, and tips to make your English better step by step.
So let's introduce ourselves. My name is Hope, and I love languages, books, and coffee.
And I'm Anna. I love learning new things, meeting people, and of course, practicing English.
Today we will talk about something very personal and interesting, how we learned English.
Yes, we will share our stories, our mistakes, funny moments, and our favorite learning tricks.
Because learning English is not only grammar and vocabulary, it's also emotions, confidence, and practice. Anna, tell us, when did you start learning English?
I started learning English at school, but honestly, I didn't like it at first.
Really? Why not?
Because I was shy. I understood words, but I was afraid to speak. I thought people would laugh at me if I made mistakes.
Oh, yes, that feeling is very common. Many learners feel that way.
Exactly. But one day I realized something important. Mistakes are not enemies. They are teachers.
That's a great sentence. I love that.
So I started speaking more. Even if my grammar was wrong, I talked. Slowly, my confidence grew.
Did you ever have an embarrassing moment while speaking English?
Oh, yes. Once I wanted to say, I'm excited, but I said, I'm excited.
Haha!
And everyone looked at me, and I thought, okay, I invented a new word.
Honestly, that's cute. And mistakes like that help us remember the correct form forever.
What about you, Hope? How did you learn English?
My story is a little different. I didn't learn much from textbooks. I learned mostly from listening and watching.
Really? What did you watch?
Movies, YouTube videos, interviews, and podcasts. At first, I didn't understand much, but I kept listening every day.
So listening helped you the most?
Yes, listening trained my brain to understand English naturally, not by translating.
Let's share some tips for our listeners. What is your best learning trick?
My best tip is talk to yourself in English.
That sounds funny, but it really works.
Yes, I describe what I'm doing. I'm making coffee, I'm opening the door, I'm going outside.
That's actually very smart. My tip is different. I write new words in sentences, not alone, because words are easier to remember in context.
Did you ever misunderstand someone in English?
Yes, someone once said, "What's up?" And I looked up at the sky.
No way.
Yes, I thought they were asking what is above us.
That's amazing. English expressions can be confusing sometimes. Many people think learning English is hard. What do you think?
I think it's not hard. It's just long.
That's true. It's a journey, not a race.
Exactly. If you practice a little every day, you will improve.
Consistency is more important than perfection.
If you're listening and you feel shy speaking English, remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
And every mistake you make is one step closer to fluency.
So don't be afraid. Speak, try, repeat.
And most importantly, enjoy the process.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. If you like this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
We hope our stories inspired you and helped you feel more confident about learning English. See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.